Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to export Salesforce Developer Console output to Microsoft Excel. This is incredibly useful when you need to analyze query results in a spreadsheet format or share data with team members who prefer working in Excel. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, you'll need to access the Developer Console in Salesforce. Look up at the top right corner of your Salesforce page and click on the gear icon. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Developer Console. This opens up a powerful tool where you can run queries and view database information directly. Once the Developer Console window opens, direct your attention to the bottom of the screen where you'll see several tabs. Click on the Query Editor tab. This is where you'll write and execute your SQL queries to retrieve the data you need from your Salesforce database. In the query box that appears, type your SQL query. For example, if you want to pull contact information, you might type select ID, first name, last name from contact. Customize this query based on what data you're looking to export. Once you've entered your query, click the Execute button to run it. After execution, your results will display in a table format below. Now comes the crucial part for exporting this data. Right-click on the first data cell in the results table and select Inspect from the menu. This opens up the browser's developer tools, which might look a bit technical, but don't worry, we'll navigate through it together. In the Elements panel that appears, you need to locate the HTML element containing your data table. You're looking for either a div class equals table or a table tag that holds all your results. To make this easier, use Ctrl+F to open the search function, then type grid-table. This will help you quickly find the right element. You may need to expand a few elements to see the full structure. Once you've found the correct div or table element containing all your data, right-click directly on that element in the Elements panel. From the context menu, hover over Copy, then select Copy Element. This copies the entire table structure to your clipboard. Now it's time to bring this data into Excel. Open Microsoft Excel on your computer and click on a starting cell where you want your data to appear. Typically, A1 works best. Right-click on that cell and select Paste Special from the menu. In the dialog box that appears, look for and select Unicode text, then click OK. Your Salesforce data will now populate into Excel with all the proper formatting and structure intact. And there you have it, you've successfully exported your Salesforce Developer Console query results into Microsoft Excel, ready for analysis or sharing. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.